I had a mouthful of tori's. So, and they were just growing and knocking my teeth loose, and I got them all pulled, and I was fitted with a denture. The denture just was painful. I would come home from work just crying because my mouth hurt so bad. It's like taking off your shoes, your high-heeled shoes, after wearing them all day, and then it would swell up and it'd just be more painful. I went from the oral surgeon straight here, and since then it's been heaven. I mean, I still had to heal, but it was not anything as bad as I thought it was going to be. I forget that they're there, that they're not my teeth. They don't move. They don't, you know, they're just there, and I don't have to worry about them. And so just not being in the constant pain all the time is just amazing. There's no tension. There's no hard sell. It's like, this is what we can do for you. You know, this is what we can, you know, these are the options. This is what we think is best, but you need to think. It's like, I'm ready to sign up right now. It's like, no, you need to stop and think about it and make sure this is the right decision for you.